Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into Motorola's latest budget offering, the Moto G35 5G, a smartphone that aims to balance affordability with practicality. At 499 dirhams here in Dubai, does it deliver on its promises? Let's find out. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Let's get started. Starting with the design and the build quality, Motorola brings a refined design language to the table with the Moto G35. The highlight is its vegan leather back, featured on the guava red and leaf green variants, like the one I have here. Personally, I'm impressed by the form factor. It feels sturdy and solid, especially considering its price point. A black variant with a plastic back is also available. The plastic frame is robust, housing the volume controls and a power button with the side-mounted fingerprint scanner on the right. At the bottom, you'll find a USB-C port, speaker grill, microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, while the SIM tray is on the left. There's also a secondary microphone on top for noise cancellation. Sleek and ergonomic, this device delivers a surprisingly premium feel for its price. On the front, the Moto G35 boasts an impressive 6.72-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display that stands out with its vibrant clarity and brightness. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, it delivers a sharp visuals and crisp detail, making it a delight for media consumption. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, adding a layer of durability against scratches and minor impacts. What truly set this display apart is its 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth scrolling and fluid transitions, whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply navigating the interface. It also offers a peak brightness of 1000 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. While HDR support is limited in certain apps, this is a minor compromise, and overall, the screen provides an engaging viewing experience that's hard to match in this price range. Under the hood, the Moto G35 is equipped with the Unisoc T760 chipset clocked at up to 2.2 GHz. This processor is paired with 8GB of physical RAM plus an additional 16GB of virtual RAM to further enhance performance during demanding tasks. The device also offers 128GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via microSD card, providing plenty of space for apps, media, and files. While this device handles everyday tasks like browsing social media and light apps with ease, it shows its limitation during resource-intensive gaming or heavy multitasking, making it better suited for casual users. The software experience is one of its highlights. Running on a stock-like Android 14 interface, enriched with Motorola's Hello UI customization, the phone delivers a clean, bloatware-free experience. Navigation is smooth and responsive, with minimal distractions from unnecessary apps. Motorola backs the G35 with 3 years of security updates and 2 major Android upgrades, ensuring long-term usability and security. Now let's dive into the camera department, where the Moto G35 delivers a respectable performance for its price point. The dual camera setup on the rear features a 50-megapixel primary sensor, which captures detailed and vibrant images in well-lit conditions, ensuring rich colors and impressive sharpness. Alongside, there's an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens that offers a broader perspective, perfect for landscape and group shots. However, the camera struggles a bit in low-light settings, with noticeable noise and reduced clarity, a common limitation in this segment. One standout feature is its video recording capability, supporting up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, which is a rare in this price bracket. The footage is crisp and stable, making it a great choice for casual videography and social media creators. On the front, the 16-megapixel selfie camera performs admirably, delivering sharp and natural-looking selfies. It also handles video calls well, ensuring you look clear and vibrant. Whether for social media uploads, casual photography, or vlogging, the Moto G35's camera setup punches above its weight, offering excellent value for budget-conscious users. Powering the Moto G35 is a robust 5000 mAh battery, which ensures excellent longevity. With moderate usage, including browsing, streaming, and occasional gaming, the device comfortably lasts a full day and often stretches into the second day. This reliability makes it an ideal companion for users who are always on the go. Charging is handled via 18 watts charger. While not the fastest option available, it gets the job done, refueling the battery from empty to a reasonable level within a practical time frame. However, faster charging speeds would have been a welcome addition to enhance convenience. The multimedia experience is elevated by the inclusions of Dolby Atmos stereo speaker, delivering immersive and well-balanced audio that's great for music, movies, and gaming. Additionally, the device supports eSIM alongside with physical SIM, offering greater flexibility for users who need dual connectivity options or frequent carrier switches. Now here is my final verdict. The Moto G35 stands out as a solid budget-friendly option, offering an impressive combination of features for its price. Its standout elements include a vibrant and smooth display, an eco-friendly design with a premium touch, a capable dual camera system, a dependable 5000 mAh battery, and a clean user-friendly software experience. These strengths make it a compelling choice for everyday use. However, potential buyers should be aware of its limitation. The chipset, while adequate for routine tasks, may struggle with heavy multitasking or demanding gaming. Additionally, the camera's performance in low-light conditions is underwhelming, though it delivers excellent results in well-lit scenarios. This device is an excellent match for eco-conscious users thanks to its sustainable design elements, or for those seeking affordable 5G connectivity without compromising on essential features. Overall, the Moto G35 strikes a fine balance between value, functionality, and modern conveniences, making it a strong contender in the budget smartphone segment. Alright, that's for today's review of the latest Moto G35 5G. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.